Using essential oils to boost your immune system. Did you know that essential oils have been used for hundreds of years for disinfecting and healing? Well, they have. And the reason is that an essential oil is an aromatic, chemically active compound derived from plants. Most people think that essential oils are just for pampering. There are products that you add to your bathwater, household cleaning products made from essential oils, and candles, to name but a few. There has been a great deal of research into essential oils, and the conclusion to date is that they have immune-boosting characteristics. A lot of people use them in winter when the cold and flu season is at its height and swear that this helps. The purpose of the essential oils was to protect the plants that they originated from. So, it is not too much of a surprise that they can benefit our immune systems as well. A lot of essential oils will bolster your immune system's response to eliminating the antigens and bacteria that cause diseases. Here are some of their immune-boosting properties: antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal. There are other benefits to using essential oils as well. You can sleep better by using lavender essential oil. To relieve anxiety and stress, you can use jasmine. Here are the best essential oils that you could use to boost your immune system. 1. Frankincense. You probably heard about this at school when you were learning about the birth of Jesus and the 3 wise men bearing gifts. Frankincense is an extract from the boswellia tree, which is well known across the world for its anti-inflammatory properties. Frankincense is able to fight inflammation due to 4 acids from the tree that help your many inflammatory pathways. The most powerful of these acids is AKBA, acetyl-11-keto-B-boswellic acid. Different scientific studies have discovered a direct link between the ability of frankincense to reduce inflammation and a stronger immune system. When you use it topically, frankincense will give your immune system a boost and reduce inflammation. It also provides faster healing and tissue remodeling. Frankincense also contains strong antioxidants to quell free radicals and protects your immune system from a poor diet, industrial toxins, and environmental pollutants. It is an amazing essential oil. 2. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus has been used for a very long time as a decongestant and is found in a lot of cold and flu remedies. It contains a compound called 1.8-cineol, which has strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. In a study that was published in the Clinical Microbiology and Infection Journal, it was discovered that eucalyptus provided different antibacterial effects on a number of infectious bacteria in the respiratory tract. This included strains that cause strep. Other studies reported that merely inhaling eucalyptus fights bacteria that cause Staphylococcus aureus and tuberculosis. Eucalyptus can also stimulate your innate immune system by enhancing the phagocytic responsiveness to pathogens. 3. Oregano. You have probably heard of oregano before because it is widely used in Mexican and Italian cooking, but it also has powerful antibacterial characteristics due to the high level of 2 active compounds it contains, which are thymol and carvacrol. These will kill bacterial cells because they make membranes more permeable. Harmful bacteria are compromised when this happens, and they will leak critical molecules for their survival. Tests have shown oregano killing E. coli, Salmonella, and a number of Staphylococcus bug types. In a 2017 study, it was found that oregano essential oil has very good antioxidant properties as well, which help to boost the immune system. Oregano will also inhibit several viruses including norovirus, antibiotic-resistant herpes, a number of respiratory viruses, and the rotavirus. 4. Thyme. Thyme is rich in thymol like oregano is. This can help to reduce coughing symptoms that are associated with a number of respiratory infections. A study combined thyme with ivy and found that this reduced more than 68% of coughing fits among people that had acute bronchitis. But thyme does more than just relieve symptoms. Thyme essential oil produces a high level of non-specific immune and antimicrobial activity. Studies have shown it to be effective against a range of bacteria, including treating resistant strains such as MRSA. Use the power of essential oils to boost your immune system. We have highlighted the best 4 essential oils for boosting your immune system in this video. They can help to bolster your immune system both directly and indirectly. So, we strongly recommend that you make essential oils part of your everyday life so that you can strengthen your immune system. In the final video, we will show you the best practices that you need to follow to boost your immune system.